This morning, I am headed over to my parents and we are going to cut down a Christmas tree. I'm so excited. I've done this with my dad every year since I was probably 2 years old. Frankie Hoy is on MSNBC. That's awesome. Tree hunting. This is it.
So cut it.
Growing up here all the time, we have to chop down trees for forest health. It's bad when a lot of pine trees grow up right next to each other, and this is a pretty unhealthy forest when my parents moved here. So we've chopped down probably half of this and it's still super dense. And all of these trees are growing right underneath the power lines. So we're just doing good for the neighborhood. We're not chopping down trees willy-nilly, you know? Guys, Sarah's arrived.
Hi.
You're making a documentary about
Yes.
my dad.
About-
This is amazing. This is crazy to be here for. What are you doing today?
Probably an interview and just get some general more ideas, and yeah, it's like a starting point, I guess.
I'm so excited. The entire documentary crew was arriving, some people that I knew from school. Very fun to see them, but I have to head out and I'm meeting Weston now. We're gonna go to a festival. I am super excited. Look at all of these inflatables. Oh my God. We've made it to the Olympic Museum. Best architecture in all of Colorado Springs, I think, right?
Hands down, without a doubt.
Oh yeah, I've collected Weston.
Hello, I am collected.
And we're gonna be here for a while because we're also going to a big parade tonight that Sierra's jumping in, and hopefully we're gonna be able to see Tyler. How's it going? Yo! What's up, guys? Hi!
So it's candy that's freeze dried, so basically it like takes all the moisture and everything out of the candy, and a lot of them makes it expand, like Milk Duds, they get really big.
Whoa.
We're like Jolly Ranchers.
And you're all the way from Utah here to run
Yeah,
this.
flew out just for this.
Just for this. It's
Just
amazing.
for this moment.
What is this?
This is a sweet tart.
A sweet tart. Okay,
Yeah.
amazing. You're gonna love this. It's like a crunchy little nugget of joy. Wow, that's good. Freeze-dried pickles. Let's get this. Oh my God, they look awesome. Jenny's freeze-dried delights. This is Tyler's sister's company. Incredible.
Hi, Clay. Good to see you.
Sing along
We
as you
can
go.
sing along. Oh yes, awesome. We're gonna get a hayride.
Around this whole place. I can go up and down that as much as you want.
Let's
We're
do
gonna be
this.
going a little longer this time. Anybody else want to go?
Wait, come in.
Yes, amazing.
Here we go. You ready?
Oh yeah.
The pinnacle of luxury.
This is the pinnacle of luxury, definitely. It's cornhole time. Oh yeah. Parade is beginning very soon. This is a playground that I used to go to all the time as a kid. And in the last like 3 months, this entire playground has changed. It's very new age. Also, we got some ice skating going on. We got the Christmas trees. Getting some pizza at Poor Richard's. is absolute best place. Super excited about this.
I know, me too.
My friend Sierra and her jump rope team are in this parade tonight. Super excited to see them. I don't know when they're gonna be here though. Sonic on the way home. Yes, vanilla shake. And I got Jamie some mozzarella sticks.